Hi, it's Kylie Koo. Welcome to my studio. And welcome to week 4 of my concertina journal, accordion journal project. This is a journal or artist book, whatever you want to call it, that I am building week by week over 2024. And if you're joining me and making a similar journal, then I'll be giving you this week's prompt just shortly. If you're new or you've missed any of the episodes of this, then I will leave a link to a playlist below. With this journal, I want to use up a lot of my scraps, and I was very glad that I recently organised some of my scraps, and I'll leave a link to that video below. I'm also using old 12 by 12 scrapbook papers as the substrate, and actually a few days ago I sat and cut up enough for the rest of this year, for all the pages. The pages measure 4 inches by 5 inches. I want each page to be unique, and yet I want it to be able to fit in within the kind of overall look, feel and theme of this journal. And I would guess I would describe the feel as being textured and grungy. I noticed that my cover page and then my page 1 had a kind of greenish blue look to them. Then the next 2 pages were more a kind of dark grungy brown. So I'm going to use a slightly different ink this week to give a different look to the page. If you are following along with this project and doing your own thing, and you can do it whatever way you want, then please do tag me wherever you show it on social media, if you do show it on social media, and I will certainly try and catch up with whatever you're doing. So I'm following pretty much a similar process as previous weeks, where I want to thicken up that base substrate with some collage papers. Now some of these are just gel prints on printer paper, so in themselves they're not very thick, but I do add other layers to it. I'm going to put some of this to music today and just let you watch and hope that you can take some inspiration from this, get some ideas whether you're working on a similar project or something different. Just before I swap over to some background music, can I just remind you, or let you know if you didn't know this, but I am a guest teacher on the One Badass Art Journal 2024, an online class hosted by Tiare Smith. There is still a 20% discount code available for that, and that can be used anytime up to and including the 31st of January. So if you're interested, you only have a few more days to sign up using that discount code, and all of that is listed in the description box below, along with a link that will take you direct to the page, and all you do is use the code BOLD20 at checkout. Class starts on February the 5th, and in the workshop you'll get 17 badass mixed media art journal lessons, including a book making lesson. There will be lots of mixed media techniques and hints and tips, and I'm certain you'll have a wonderful time making badass mixed media art journal pages. So if you're interested, please do check out the description box, where you'll get a link that will take you directly there. And remember, up to the 31st of January, there's 20% off using code BOLD20. So I'll put up on screen what I'm doing at each stage, and I will pop in towards the end. Meantime, I hope you can sit back, relax, and just enjoy my process, or create along with me. That would be such fun. And now for some nice music, and I'll pop back in later. So I hope you liked music. I know that many of you enjoy listening to it during my videos. So just attaching the page in the same way as before, just using 2 small strips of fabric on both the front of the pages and on the back of the pages, and this really does hold it very well. I think the page I've created today looks good. It looks different to the one next to it, which is what I'm trying to achieve, and yet by using some similar elements it lets them both kind of sit together in a way that they look like they are part and parcel of the same thing. So again, I was very pleased with the way this turned out. And I love to use found words. It's one of my favourite things to do. You know, I just pull pages out of an old book and I just scan the page until some words jump out at me. And, you know, sometimes 2 or 3 will jump out at once, but I just look until there's something jumps out that makes me think, yeah, this is it. This is what I want to say on this page. If you are following along and doing something similar, then, you know, don't be concerned about having to keep up or having to do all the pages. Do them when it suits you, because, you know, there's going to be 52 pages plus a front cover, back cover, so 54 pages in total. But if you only manage to do 3, it's still going to look good when these are joined together. So do what you can when you can, if you can. But, you know, I'm loving the way it's looking already. So thanks ever so much for watching. Do look out for other videos coming, and take care. Bye for now.